Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Many patrol boats may seem insignificant at first glance, but some deserve a deeper dive. One of these is the super advanced patrol boats patrolling U.S. waters 24/7. Few patrol boats in this class get close to the Riverine command boat. Inspired by the agile CB90 Swedish patrol boat design, Riverine command boats, RCBs, offer outstanding maneuverability for various mission profiles. These adaptable boats are essential for force protection, interdiction, and patrols for units such as coastal Riverine squadrons. With state-of-the-art communication and control technologies, RCBs improve mission effectiveness while speeding across riverine and coastal settings, guaranteeing prompt and decisive action in any situation. Apart from their maneuverability, these vessels are also well armed and can land up to 21 troops on a beach or riverbank. These vessels are among the best in service, able to go from full speed of 40 knots to a complete standstill in two of their own boat lengths, about 50 to 60 feet. Unfortunately, the RCB service is coming to an end. The expanded capabilities of another vessel, which include higher speed, range, and firepower, together with improved survivability and advanced sensors to enable more efficient execution of combat operations and maritime security, are replacing Riverine command boats. This new vessel is called the Mark 6 patrol boat. A state-of-the-art, high-performing boat intended for combat operations and maritime security is the Mark 6 patrol boat. Its stealthy, elegant design allows it to attain speeds of more than 45 knots while showcasing cutting-edge communication, weaponry, and sensor systems. Because of its modular architecture, it may be quickly reconfigured to satisfy changing mission requirements. The perfect instrument for riverine and coastal operations, this adaptable and extremely maneuverable ship offers an unparalleled degree of versatility and lethality in the face of asymmetric threats. Included in their missions are other activities. Middle East and North Africa maritime security activities are carried out by Task Force 56, TF-56, a task force of the United States Navy. TF-56, a component of the U.S. Fifth Fleet, comprises various naval units, such as amphibious vehicles, patrol boats, and coastal patrol ships. Operating in the Persian, Arabian, and Red Seas, the task force has its headquarters located in Bahrain. Ensuring the free flow of business and safeguarding vital infrastructure, TF-56's principal goal is to uphold maritime security and stability in the area. Maritime interdiction, counterterrorism, and counter-piracy are just a few of the missions carried out by the task force. Along with taking part in cooperative drills with regional allies, it also supports coalition forces. As a vital part of the U.S. Navy's presence in the Middle East, TF-56 symbolizes the country's dedication to regional security and stability. The task force is essential to preserving the right of passage and defending U.S. interests in the area. Crews who man the Mark 6s are expected to undergo constant training. Crews of the Mark 6 patrol boat undergo extensive training to be ready for maritime security duties. Seamanship, which emphasizes communication, navigation, marlinspike seamanship, and vessel handling, is a part of the training curriculum. Additionally, crews are trained in the maintenance of the M250 caliber machine gun, M240 7.62 mm machine gun, and Mark 38 25 mm chain gun. Interdiction, boarding, and monitoring are all routine patrol operations. Inflatable targets, like the Killer Tomato, are used in gunnery training to replicate real-world situations. Crew members are trained to quickly swap out weapon barrels and ammo belts in response to shifting circumstances. However, hitting targets from a vessel shaking in the swell presents a substantial problem. Crews need to adapt their aim to account for the motion to guarantee precise firing. During live fire drills, safety measures such as appropriate weapon handling, muzzle awareness, and communication are stressed. After completing their training, Mark 6 personnel are better capable of handling their ship and armaments, and are prepared to carry out challenging maritime security tasks. An essential part of Task Force 56 marine security operations is their mine training program. The main objective of the training is to identify and disable sea mines, which are a serious hazard to commercial and naval ships. The training curriculum includes live mine exercises, simulator exercises, and classroom teaching. In this example, in Aqaba, Jordan, Task Force 56 sailors and Jordanian frogmen engaged in bilateral helocasting operations for training and responding to floating mines during Exercise Eager Lion 2019. By working with regional partners, the task force was able to enhance their combined power to respond to mine threats during this training exercise. Mark 6 patrol boats have to adapt to many different situations. In order to accomplish coordinated missions, helicopters must be seamlessly coordinated and communicated with when using a Mark 6 patrol boat for aerial coordination. The Mark 6 patrol boat acts as a command and control platform for maritime security operations, with helicopters providing overhead observation and backup. Thanks to its sophisticated sensors and communication systems, the patrol boat Mark 6 can share real-time data with helicopters to ensure that both have a common awareness of the operational environment. Helicopters that are fitted with cameras and sensors can track and identify interesting targets while conducting aerial surveillance. The helicopters and the Mark 6 patrol boat coordinate their movements and activities by exchanging information across secure communication networks. Helicopters can cover the patrol boat from above during boarding operations or other high-risk operations, and the patrol boat can vector them to intercept targets. Within the NATO context, there are various resources to call on. One of them is the UK's River-class offshore patrol vessel. 3 ships in the UK Royal Navy's River-class offshore patrol vessel series were constructed to perform duties related to fishery protection and maritime security. HMS Trent, HMS Medway, and HMS Forth are in the class. Launched in 2016, the HMS Forth was put into service in 2018. These ships have a 30mm gun, sophisticated sensors, and communication systems. They can stay at sea for up to 35 days and are made to function in a variety of conditions, such as the North Sea, Caribbean, and Gulf areas. Maritime exercises with allied nations like Ukraine are important. River-class patrol boats and Ukrainian island-class boats work together during Exercise Sea Breeze 21 to improve maritime security and interoperability. Tactical formations, search and rescue missions, and boarding drills were all part of this cooperation. Furthermore, the British Batch 2 River-class offshore patrol vessel, HMS Trent, and the Arleigh Burke-class guided missile destroyer, USS Ross, executed towing drills, exhibiting flawless synchronization. Additionally, the crews of the Ross and Trent switched places, exposing sailors to one another's operational conditions and promoting collaboration and understanding. These drills secure the dedication of Allied navies to operational preparedness and collective maritime defense. Other role players, like the Italian Baetica offshore patrol ship, generally protect their own shores. The Baetica, built as a member of the Commandant class, uses its sophisticated radars, helicopters, and sensors to scour the Mediterranean. With her Smart S Mark II radar, Baetica can locate and follow targets in the air, as well as on land across extended distances. Effective naval vessels do not have to be large. They just need the right crew, sensors, and resources, such as air support. From the RCB to the Mark 6 and various European vessels, the US, NATO, and allied nations can effectively safeguard littoral and riverine areas. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.